My name is Oyeyemi Olalekan. I welcome you into this video where I'll be showing you how to make money online. In this same video, I'll be showing you how to get workers online and you make huge amount of money from it when they help you to do little tasks. I will be showing you different websites where you can make legit money online. So the first website is called Pico Workers. I'm on Google, so you can see Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners who need people to help them. So that is all about Pico Worker. So I'll give you more information about it. It is legit. As you can see, it is legit. So I will give you a link. You sign up with the link that I will be sending to you so that you can earn a commission for using a referral link. So here, rename. Put your name, your email, your password, confirm password, your nickname, select country. Then when you get here, you are asked to pick either you want to serve as a worker or as an employer. So for now, click I am a worker. Then you can switch to you can change your profile later to pick the one you want. Select the desired profile type now, but you can switch between them later. So that is it. Now I will sign up right now and show you the next thing. Right now, I'll fill all the information. Make sure you click on agree to Pico Workers. Send me news on Pico Workers. Then click on sign up. So immediately you finish the registration, this is what you will receive almost there. Then your name. So confirm your email and be part of the community. You go to your email, message has been sent to you. So go there to confirm to verify your email. So you need to go there right now. So just as I've said it exactly, this is the email from Worker. So click on it, then you will see a link. Now click the following link. So this is the link from Pico Worker. Click on it to activate or to verify your email. So next is this different profile types. So you can switch from workers to employer depending on what the work you want to do. So let me click on apply here as a worker. Done. Understood. And these are the warnings. You can read this. Read the one. So accept. Now read the agreement letter very well. Think of your first 25 tasks like a job interview. Please do your work carefully. Do not rush and make sure to focus on achieving a 100% satisfied rating. If your success rate drop below it, stop working and fix your mistake before your account is frozen or closed. So make sure you complete your job. On this violation will ultimately lead to a ban and the immediately loss of all learning, so of all earning. Now that is that about it. So I click on agree. So these are the available job. You scroll it, pick the one you want. So we have find jobs, job level, categories, subcategory, payments, location. Now so these are the job that is here. However, in this video I will just be showing you how you can just be clicking videos. You just need to click videos to make your own earning, to make your own money. So click on job category. Under find job, click on category. So click on video marketing. You can also click on Facebook, see the type of job that is there. See the type of job that is there. Click on video marketing. So click on apply. So allow it to load. Allow it to load. So under video marketing, now all you need to do, you see YouTube watch plus like. 59 out of 200 done. Just to watch, then you like, then you get $0.60. Likewise, this is the money, this is the amount you will get. If you just click on it, click on any one of it. Let me go and find it. So because the account is new and this is going to be your first your first job, you need to fill all your information, which I have not filled before. So here now you are asked to fill it. 50% commission if you refer people through your link. And how do you copy your referral link? You click on this, click on my account. So when you get to my account, you see settings, security, identity. So you click on program and offers, participate in special program and limited time over and get additional bonuses. So this is the link. Affiliate statistics before that. So this is your link. So you just copy that link and you make people to sign up with your link. Then you get 5% commission from each paid or task that your downline participate on. So now let's assume you have made a lot of money and you want to withdraw your money. So you click on wallet. Click on wallet, so it will show. Then you click on withdrawals. So you click on withdrawals are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. So within 10 working days. So you click on request withdrawal. Because this account is new, so I do training for people with a new account so that you can know how to do it. Now to withdraw your money, you must have a PayPal account. You see, PayPal. We have screening there and other option, but the legit platform I will recommend is what? PayPal. Not enough fund. Yes, I don't have fund here, so that's why it's saying not enough fund. Make sure you have PayPal accounts. If you don't have PayPal accounts, you can chat me with the following number. You will see it. Yes, chat this number. Then from there, I will give you a full training on PayPal. And when you link your PayPal account, you can link your ATM, your bank ATM, so that you're able to withdraw your money. People are saying that they cannot withdraw their PayPal money because they can only use the money to buy something online. No, that was then. Although it is not many people, few people knew about this. But if you are lucky to get the training, yes, it will be very you'll be able to withdraw your money from PayPal. When you make money into your PayPal with all the training that you are passing through, you see that majority of the way of getting paid is through PayPal. So to make more money through PayPal is very easy now. Once I'm showing you all this, so make sure you have a PayPal account. Now let's switch this account. Assuming that I don't want to be a worker, I want to be an employer. I want to employ people to do a particular job for me. So I've switched. So if you want pick workers to do job for you, read all this mass rating, read all the information that is there before you start doing anything. So can I block a worker? Everything. Read all the details, all the information rather. And this time around you want people to work for you, so you have to click on your profile. Click on your profile. When you click on your profile or click on wallet, so now you have to deposit money here because you are not working now. You are not a worker, but you want people to work for you. Excuse me. So you click on deposit. how much do you want to deposit with your card or with your credit or with your paper. So you enter the amount, say how much is it, 25. So this to show to you that Pico Workers is a legit website, because if I want people to work for me now, I will need to pay through my PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal account, you will not be able to make payments so that they can work for you, or through your Skrill or cryptocurrency. Then you deposit, and that is how you deposit if you want them to work for you. So if you want to transfer fund, amount to transfer, type it here. Now, like, how much can you make on Pico Workers? You can make as much as possible as you can work. Let me show you samples of people that have been making money. So now you see this, you received 19.44 USD. So that is, he received $19. Let's say approximately. Thanks for using Pico Workers, Chris. I want you to convert 19.44 USD to, to your currency. You will know the amount it is. So that shows that there is a lot of money here. It is a legit site where you can make money from the comfort of your room. So you can see this is another request, $5 with withdraw request placed. So into what? PayPal account. This is another payment, $6 through what? Pico Workers. You see, note from, yes, Pico Workers. Thanks for using Pico Workers. Can you see? So this is another payment, and this is another payment, $10. So which shows that Pico Workers is a legit website. And you see, I will not show you a website that is not legit. Yes, that is not legit. I won't show you. Now just go and sign up with the link that I drop, so that you can continue to make your own money, and you can as well work for people. You see this one, $20 from Pico Workers. So now I want to, what is delaying you from doing little tasks online? By subscribing to YouTube channel, watching video, like it, and you get paid for it. So go and start now. If you want to make more money online, you can sleep, you wake up, just subscribe, do little things, and you make your money. See you in the next video, where I'll be showing you how to make money in another platform.